Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you how wild carrot oil could be used to treat cancer and much more. Wild carrot oil, also known as Queen Anne's lace, is an ideal all-purpose healthy skin treatment, as helpful support for cell rejuvenation at the skin's deepest level. Wild carrot oil has a pronounced effect on skin health and is often considered an essential component of many skincare formulations. Wild carrot seed oil can be used as a first line of defense for supporting aging or environmentally stressed skin. In ancient medicine, carrot oil was known for its carminative properties. It can help to expel gases from the intestines. The oil extracts of the wild carrot could potentially be used to treat skin cancer, according to a study published in the journal BMC Contemporary and Alternative Medicine. In particular, the study looked into the wild carrot's ability to suppress the proliferation of tumors and protect from chemically induced papillomas. The scientists concluded that wild carrot extract has potent anti-tumor qualities. Lab studies confirm carrot seed oil has anti-cancer properties against acute myeloid leukemia, colon cancer, and breast cancer cell lines. An animal study was conducted to investigate the effect of carrot seed oil on skin cancer, specifically squamous cell carcinoma, in rats, and found it to be particularly potent. Carrot seed oil can purify all the organ systems of our body, specifically the circulatory, digestive, and excretory systems. It can remove toxins and other chemicals which enter the body through our food and water, and helps restore overall health. It tones up tissues and muscles and increases their efficiency. It tones the liver, stomach, and the flow of digestive juices, thus bringing the entire digestive system to a normal order. It also tones the skin and prevents it from hanging loose and showing signs of aging. Carrot seed oil contains powerful antioxidants that can help to protect against disease. Specifically, these polyphenols have been studied in animal tests for their liver protecting qualities. Carrot seed oil shields the liver from damage and exhibits strong protection against free radicals that cause oxidative stress and cell damage. This powerful essential oil can cure infections and protect against their effects. It has antiseptic properties. When applied externally, carrot seed oil can cure infections on the skin and in open wounds. Carrot seed oil has a unique scent. It can be used in an essential oil diffuser and various aromatherapy practices. You can also use it on the skin as another way to take advantage of its many benefits. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.